Okay, so hi dear Cancer, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a journal of reading for all the Cancer Sun Moon Venus rising from 15 till the 21st of December 2025. Roles can be reversed also, and if it is not resonating, this is not your story. Okay, want to be a reader like me? You can purchase my courses. Links are given below in the description box for tarot reading course, self love course, and Ho'oponopono masterclass. For personal reading and healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. So let's start. What else? Nothing. Don't try to forcibly fit yourself into the reading, honey. Sometimes the messages are not for you. Okay, these are general readings. Keep that in mind. Okay, let's see. Your like overall energy or the mutual energy of the connection right now. We have 10 of swords, 8 of cups, the fool card. Bottom of the deck is the hermit. You guys are walking away from something. End of chapter, moving on, having a like trying to have a breakthrough, moving on towards a totally different life, do a different chapter, different story, waiting for some kind of breakthrough. Bottom of the deck is a hermit. There is something that is, making you stop wherever you are and thinking about the future direction of your life on a very deeper level. So with all of the wisdom and the knowledge and experiences and whatever you have gathered, lessons, blessings, till this point of your life is kind of giving you this energy to take a break from everything and sit with yourself and understand what is happening and why it is happening and what you should do next and what you should not do next in this department of your life, right? So there is a sense of defeat, there is a sense of chapter closed, chapter over, and there's a sense of walking away from something or someone that is not serving your purpose anymore. There is a mutual energy of walking away from some kind of very ugly kind of maybe ending or breakup or separation, or maybe you guys had an argument or something, maybe not permanently from each other, but right now for the time being both of you are trying your best to live your life individually to the fullest and having a little bit of light-hearted kind of energies. So the mutual energy here is of walking away from the situation for the time being, detaching and trying to move on towards better opportunity or better time or better relationship with each other, maybe, or from far away from each other, depends on from person to person, but there is a sense of walking away and detaching. The lesson here is don't be too quick to have this brand new beginning. Take your time, properly understand what is happening and why it is happening and what you should do in order to heal yourself properly. Don't avoid the pain, go through the pain, and then this brand new beginning or the breakthrough that you want, it will happen naturally and organically. So this is what I have for you for the mutual energy. Let's see. Your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment. Cancer. Your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment. We have the world card. Okay, this is like a completion of a cycle, but still some kind of unfinished business is there. So this is someone who feels like finishing the unfinished business and completing the cycle completely with you, like closing this chapter for good. Let's clarify the world here. We have Seven of Cups, Knight of Pentacles, Four of Cups. Yeah, this person is feeling like there should be end of this confusion. If there is any left in the situation anymore, they feel like having a stable, mature and grounded kind of energy in their life from this point onwards, and they feel quite upset about whatever happened between you and them, but at the same time they feel like, okay, whatever is happening, I can't do anything about it, although I'm upset, although I feel bad about it, but this is what it is. But any kind of confusion, any kind of ifs and buts should be completely finished, completely over from this point onwards. So they feel upset, but they feel like finishing the unfinished so that they can be in a stable energies in their life. Okay, slowly but surely, so they can be able to overcome it. Let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Cancer? Maybe a last communication, they feel like having a last communication or a proper closure, or maybe this energy of, okay, right now things are not good, we can think about it later on, or something like that. But this person is not at peace, but they feel like having this proper closing the chapter kind of a deal. From your side, this is Tower. You feel like having a breakthrough. You feel like cutting the illusions and cutting the crap and sticking to the reality. Or you feel like now you should see the clear picture of the situation and you should not ignore the truth or whatsoever. And you feel like giving the taste of somebody's medicine to them. Like, okay, that's harsh, hard to explain. Let's clarify the Tower here. We have the Ace of Pentacles, Three of Pentacles, Six of Cups. Wow. So you feel you feel like, okay, whatever happened happened. The illusion is falling apart. Now everything is truthful. Now you feel like moving forward towards someone with a very stable offer and having this collaboration partnership coming together, coming back together, and having a reconciliation with somebody with whom you had a very beautiful kind of past. Now, for some of you, you are leaving someone behind to be with a past person, past energy with whom you had a very beautiful connection with at some point of time. For others of you, this is a situation that you're already in, and now you feel like, even if it is over, you feel like having this reconciliation kind of a deal. For some of you, it's like going to somebody from your past by leaving this situation. And for others of you, it's like this same situation, you feel like having reconciliation, having a breakthrough, clearing all the illusions and everything that's not good. Okay, take it how it resonates with you according to your energies, Cancer. Let's see what this person wants from you. Okay, let's see. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them? Two of Pentacles. This person definitely wants to let go of this on and off, in and out, confusion kind of energy. There's back and forth or some kind of up in the air kind of a deal that you guys are facing in the situation. They want to definitely work on that factor. Let's clarify the Two of Pentacles here. Okay. So we have the Eight of Wands and the Sun card and the Chariot. This person, this person just want to clear the air with you. They want to have back and forth communication with you, a lot of communication with you, maybe face to face communication with you, and they definitely want to let go of this on and off, in and out, unstable, unclear kind of energy, so that they can move forward and so that you guys can move forward, so that both of you can move forward in your individual lives. Okay, maybe I think this person is going to keep this energy open, option open to come back together at some point of time. But right now, all they want is to clear the air with you openly and honestly from the root, so that you guys can move on towards your own individual paths, goals, whatever you call it. Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, Cancer? The Emperor. You just want to make one choice, make one decision with all the maturity of the whole divine, and you want to stick to that decision of yours. You're like, I want to make one choice, one decision, even if it is the hardest decision of my life, and I'm going to stick to that decision no matter what. Okay, at least this is the desire. Let's see. Let's clarify the Emperor here. We have the Hierophant, the Queen of Pentacles, the Page of Wands. You just want to get married or get settled. You just want to have a very deep rooted spiritual kind of bonding with someone, and you want to handle it with care. Okay, you don't want anything casual or just for fun or on and off, in and out. You want to make things very, very serious. So you seriously want something serious in your life, and you just want to stick to that decision of yours, and you don't want to change it at all, whether it's with the new person, with somebody that you want a reconciliation with, or you are just having a desire to have that kind of person in your life in general, but you don't want this on and off, in and out, just for fun kind of energies anymore. You're like, I just want something solid, something stable, something committed, something spiritual, that I can work with, that I can rely on, that I can feel safe and secure with. I don't want this on and off, in and out, just for fun kind of energies anymore. I'm tired of that. Okay. I think you guys are leaving something or someone behind, maybe a particular person or situation, and that person wants a proper closure with you. They want to let go of the situation completely, and then while this letting go of, they are moving forward. You are like, okay, whatever happened happened. I don't want to talk to you about this anymore. Just let it go. I want something from my past, someone from my past that I had a very good connection with at some point of time. Okay, just give me 1 second. It was my mom, and she made me forget what I was saying. Either you want someone from your past back in your life because you had a very beautiful bond with them, and maybe whatever, for whatever circumstances you guys had to leave, or you want someone in your life just the way you guys had a connection with someone at some point of time that was really beautiful, really meaningful, and you want something like that back. Take it how it resonates with you. Let's see what could be the possible outcome for you guys, Cancer, till the 21st of December. The Lovers, this is like a choice or a decision that you guys have to make between two people, two energies, or simply whether to let go of this particular person or situation out of your life, out of your system, or not. Okay, this is going to be something that's going to be very difficult to make a choice or decision for. Let me clarify the Lovers. We have the Seven of Pentacles, the Knight of Cups, and the Five of Swords. Yeah, one of you is continuously waiting for the other person to make up their mind, to choose or to tell them what's going on, what's next, and one of you is like, this is so stressful for me. I might take this decision, or I might make this choice afterwards, not right now, just come back later on, come back after 7 years. I'm not ready. So somebody is very patiently waiting and watching and hoping for some kind of decision or choice to be made here, but it's very stressful, so they are avoiding it, whether it's you or them or both of you. So you guys are waiting for some kind of solution, for some kind of good resolution to a problem here, and there is a decision or a choice that one of you or both of you have to make, but none of you is doing it because it's very stressful. So you guys are okay, let's forget about it, let's wait and watch and hope for some kind of miracle to happen so that the decision is going to be made by who knows who. Let's see the guidance for you guys here, Cancer. We have Ace of Swords, Six of Swords, and the Nine of Pentacles. Right now, you should have the proper mental clarity of whatever you are letting go of. Is it permanent or is it something for the time being? Maybe you just need space and time for yourself for some time. Maybe you just need a break, and maybe you are not ready to let go of something or someone permanently out of your life, out of your system. Or maybe you are ready to let go of something or someone permanently out of your life, and you're sticking to this situation because of the comfort zone or the familiarity. You are just trying to be independent, you are just trying to be focused on yourself, your money, job, career, finances. Basically, you are trying to be in this energy of, okay, I want to be in a connection, but at the same time I want to keep my independence too. And that is actually a healthy way to be in a relationship. But when it comes to this particular person or situation that you're very very clear about, that you are letting go of, you guys have to understand whether you want to let it go completely or you want to let it go for the time being. Okay, sit with yourself, understand this whole situation from a practical point of view also, and then listen to your heart, and then make a final choice or final decision that you guys have to make. Then you will be able to figure it out properly and honestly, the way you guys should. Take your time, don't be in any kind of rush or hurry. That is why in the outcome also, it's like, it's so stressful, fuck this, I don't want to think about it. It's not going to help you. You guys have to do it at some point of time. Yep. Okay, so let me answer one of your questions related to your love and relationship area. This portion also might or might not resonate. I'm going to give you 10 to 15 seconds to get the answer. If they're not enough, you can pause and unpause whenever you feel like. So let's start. You can close your eyes, take 3 deep breaths, ask your question 3 times in your mind space. Keep it short, simple, and precise. And I'm going to give you the answer in the next 10 to 15 seconds, and your time starts now. Oh my god. You're like, Okay, so the answer to your question is no need to worry. Okay, if you got the answer, you can just leave the video. If you want me to explain, here it is. Often there are situations that we fret and worry about, even when they are out of our control. These situations can keep us up at night. The no need to worry card lets you know that even if things seem dark, a resolution and an easing will come. Worry will not improve anything, and dawn is just around the corner. If that makes sense, good. If it doesn't, leave this portion. Cool. So thank you so much for tuning in, Cancer. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you.